Here is the new angle of the flash flood in Nepal. At first, nobody seems to realize what's coming. Matter of fact, you could even see some of the locals work their way to the bridge to get a better look at what's coming down the riverbed. At that point, it seems that most people realized there was a flash flood, but many of them had no idea on how large it truly was. And with every passing second, it gets closer, louder, and more violent. You'll even see the moment where some of the locals begin to realize that this is no ordinary flash flood. See, the first few people not just move away from the river, but begin to go uphill. And sadly for the ones that were continuing to watch the flood, their curiosity was possibly about to cost them their lives. The footage that you're about to see will truly show you that your life can change in the blink of an eye. At this moment, the bridge that they were standing on gets completely taken out. Luckily, nobody was on the bridge. However, nobody is safe just yet, as the river is about to take out almost the entire town. This natural disaster has already taken the lives of hundreds, and there's still hundreds of people missing. Sending no prayers to the people of Nepal, and I'll keep you guys posted when we have more updates.
Everything that's dead and gone, I don't wanna say goodbye, cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars, and 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard for a billion different reasons. You took the best of my heart, left the rest in peace.
How did Nepal flood without heavy rain? The Himalayan disaster explained. No major rainfall. Then how did a massive flood hit Nepal? The answer lies high in the Himalayas. On August 26, a large mass of ice and rock suddenly collapsed from a glacier near the Nepal-Tibet border. The debris crashed into the river below, creating a temporary natural dam. Water began building up behind it. Then, the blockage suddenly failed. A huge surge of water, ice, rocks, and sediment rushed downstream, turning into a destructive flash flood. Millions of tons of water, ice, rock, and sediment surged downstream as a powerful flash flood. The water then entered the Lende Kola and moved into the Bote Koshi and Trishuli river systems. In some areas, river levels reportedly rose by several meters within minutes. But why did the glacier collapse? Scientists are still investigating the exact trigger, but the Himalayas are warming rapidly and glaciers are losing ice. That can destabilize mountain slopes and increase the risk of sudden glacier-related hazards. So what looked like a sudden flood was actually a chain reaction. Glacier collapse, debris avalanche, river blockage, sudden release, flash flood. Every glacier that disappears is a warning. We may not see the consequences immediately, but the mountains are already responding to a warming planet.
Ini